Are you feeling stressed, sad, or tired of life's pressure? Do you want to feel happier but don't know how? Today, I will share simple and powerful ways to make yourself happy. Starting from your mind. Happiness begins with your thoughts. If you think negatively, you feel negative. If you think positively, your life starts to change. Stop telling yourself, "I can't." Start saying, "I'm learning." Your mind is your greatest power. Use it to build happiness, not fear. You don't need to be perfect to be happy. Accept who you are. Love your flaws. Stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone has a different journey. When you respect yourself, happiness follows naturally. A healthy body creates a happy mind. Get enough sleep, drink water, move your body. Even a short walk outside can refresh your mood and reduce stress. Happiness is not only in big success, it's in small moments. Enjoy music, watch the sky, smile more. Appreciate the little things because they make life beautiful. Set small goals every day. Even small achievements build confidence. Success is not about big steps. It's about small progress every day. Surround yourself with positive people. Avoid those who bring negativity or disrespect. Your environment shapes your happiness. Every day, think of 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Being thankful creates inner peace. Learn new skills. Improve yourself. Growth creates confidence. When you work on yourself, happiness becomes natural. Helping others brings real happiness. A small act of kindness can make both you and others smile. No matter how hard life feels, don't give up. Believe in your future. You are stronger than you think, and happier days are ahead. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a better life. Remember, your happiness starts with you.